welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the truck. Yes, that's a truck. So we're going to be polishing the rims. These are Weld Racing rims, aluminum. They're 10.75 width, JJ, that's what they call, and 17-inch, zero offset. So we're gonna polish it because it's aluminum. It's very easy, but we're just gonna use, some stuff that I have here at home. Um, it could have been better if I have the red one, but I'm out of it. So we're gonna use this. This is the light to medium, and we have metal polish. We were supposed to use this, but so yeah, they don't last so long. So we're gonna use this instead. Well, this could have been, maybe the second or third stage. This will be the final, but then we'll probably end up with this as the last stage and hand polish it. And initially we're gonna be sanding it with 150 and then 200 wet sanding, and let's see if we can make this shine. There's Milo. Hi, Milo. He ignored me. So let's do this. 1,500 wet sanding. So that's a few passes. Maybe I just did 5 minutes. I'll do some more passes. I think this is already enough for the stage 1 for 1,500. So let's now remove those, those scrub marks with 2,000. Oh, there's a really rough spot here. Let's do it with 600. I used to polish fender flares made of aluminum, and we actually just sand it with 600, never with anything finer. And then we polished it right after 600, and it's fine. I just wanna see what's the difference if I just start with 1,500, but I'm sure 600 will do fine. Let's give it a buff. Nice. Let's apply some polish. You can see the difference.
Parang bago. Looks sick. Mirror finish.
So that's after polishing. This is polished. Let me turn the wheel. And this is not polished. Nice. Shiny. I think we can get away with it. You know, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 rubbing compound. We do really need the red one, the heavy one, because this is a little bit light. But even though this is nice, so we're just trying to do something with what we have. And actually, if you want perfection, it is true. We need to start with 600 and then go up. Well, let's see. Let's polish the one that we only sanded with 600. We resanded it with 600, so you can see there's a lot of scuff marks. And then let's use rubbing compound. Let's see if we can notice a difference. And let's polish it. So this is the one sanded up to 600. And then this is 2000. Well, there is definitely a difference. So I guess I could have done a better job when I was young. So with those fender flares. But it's barely visible. 600. This is 600. And this is 2000. But yeah, the 2000 is much more shinier. So there you go. Yeah, you can polish your aluminum rims. with just rubbing compound. Again, if we had the heavy one, the red one, would have been much more better. And aluminum polish. A lot of sandpaper. I'll probably, yeah, with this marks, I'll probably start with 400 and then 600 and up to 600, 800, 1000, 1215, 2000. It is really a tedious job if you want perfection. But if you want just this finish, 15, 2000, that's enough. Anyways, guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. So one trick in polishing, ball up your rag, put your polishing cream, and then just do it like this. Like this. Ano ba? Beautiful woman ba? Sexy woman? Walk like this. Di mo alam yun? Come on. Should be participating in Instagram. So you will really need a lot of rag.
Should break some case.
Professional man.